I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Apple Pay ready. Now start the checkout in the PlayStation app. Once signed in, locate the game, add-on, or wallet top-up you want. Tap Buy and proceed to the app's checkout screen. Make sure your shipping and billing details match the card and wallet. If the app prompts with multiple pay options, choose the external or web checkout option. This routes you to a payment page that can surface Apple Pay. Proceed to the next step when the payment sheet appears. Once the payment sheet loads, select Apple Pay as the method. This works when the PlayStation app hands off to a web-based or in-app payment flow that supports Apple Pay. You'll see your default wallet card, contact, and billing info. Verify these because PlayStation uses them for authorization. After confirming, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Apple Pay then returns an authorized token to the page. Make sure the confirmation on screen shows payment accepted before moving on to the finalization steps. Complete the purchase by waiting for the PlayStation app confirmation and an emailed receipt. That proves the token exchange succeeded. If the transaction fails, first make sure your wallet card is active, billing address matches your PSN account, and device region supports Apple Pay for that merchant. Then retry. If you still see errors, open the same checkout in Safari on your iPhone or contact PlayStation support with the failure time and transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.